I fans number so any company for how promo game no and your money na kwame at least a UD my supporters Bashir Stadium more fine kwame virtually the stadium was full and more fans number so they did so well by coming in their numbers some best support to our team no kwame again more referee Danielai Abaso he also did so well and Senyoma Nkuya kwame yeni ba betna aka. And for the first time in so many years, Classico, and I see a Ghana, Premier League, and the Asante Koroko has full. I center referee kwame what the game na dini year my name ye no game no mum na can once rather than referee no kwame take the shine out of the game. So I think that Danielai any na pan for kwame they did so well and handle game no me say indeed. He is our best referee in the country as we speak. So kudos to them. And I also learned say auto ticket cry at the chair. Fans need be saying almost on tomorrow on say stadium on our game. So I think it was a good move and Yamona Basso for doing such a wonderful performance for the Mayenra Barbara Sports Stadium. Kwame, as a folk winning game no, and it was expected because I said it here say. Ushe game na nkasa kwame ye kobona you see on paper any coach now omujina daga to on any day kwame papa your friend Masud ahead than coach your friend coach Prince any Hamza on any day ntina tactics nko ade michusu papa your friend Masud because edien wonhunda Ghana Premier League or league 2 times FA Cup any other compared to Hamza and coach Prince. Hamza won the a league with Coach Samobodu or more 10 or has of and he was there. But they also won
the league and the FA Cup.
But he was the assistant coach and they also but compared to Papa, your friend Masud Kwame, the say he is far ahead of them. And again, he showed a game now a boy and clearly it's a tactical play. Coach Masud far ahead of coach your friend Prince Owusu and Hamza daga to they did so well kwame omobai they came prepared they came focused kwame they came to fight and they fight now kwame you did Emma omunya the 3 maximum points no for the first time I know omuni has of Pramaso Sante kwame abo so many matches na entimi enya win ni wo I think Didi came and again utilized the momenta omunya game na kwame and the Omatimi Adenya such a sweet victory. Kumasi Asante Koroko so Akwame Omude Ekwakupim Yakra. Kudos to them. Atakra can be so they met me can say Embo out of Fokabaso. They did so well, especially Kwame. Omoko 1 man down. First half. Now what the first half we no about back to second half no Kwame. Now over such wonderful game Kwame. Against Asante Korokwa, any day or more 11 level crown, they will still put threat, but they has a folk or 1 man down, but yet you could see said Didi and then the Ranti and Kwame. Now Omuni Omuye. And again, Omuma game is a Dima Koroko, especially when now Omo 1 man down or on the field of play. Say nay, which performance or Modima and Kwame on any day they deserve it. And again, Abrantia, your friend, Benjamin Asare, Kwame. There so here free player goalkeeper Obiano. We saw that yesterday. On my asa and Giano game. On my asa to say indeed he is the captain for Accra Folk. He is our number 1 and again the national team goalkeeper for Ghana Black Stars and he was he's shown it saying he deserves or the number 1 for Accra Folk. And Nigia was here now goalkeeper Mubiano. I may rest assured saying on any day we will still choose him over any goalkeeper. So kudos to him for such wonderful display. Barbara Sports. I did my first 11 here. Friday and Saturday. But nani padudo na free say I was being biased. Nani padudo na free say na. Me yeah and me yeah levna my own interest. But the first levna me yeah and I combine levna me yeah no and right there do park no such say nay I was right and I did a marvelous job on player selection Kwame and now compare Kumasa Sante Kroko to Accra Asofo Mejidisana Asofo tactically they were on point and on the field of play the guys know a performance or show up no Kwame say indeed na omunim de na omoye ewo eye game no mu ono uhwe ekire ono ma me kan me say Ali Mohammed any eye Abrante friend Kevin Osiasi be Kwame the best center pair ewo league no eye omo a enra they fought and Kwame ye hu omo performance omo de mai clearly omo show no ewo eye pitch no so ewo ono ademo o she go no yes he did so well but not enya extraordinary performance but he did so well Abrante onya card na ye Emmanuel Amankwa ono so no at a point he started game he wasn't bad unfortunately onya red card Amankwa be fu be shame ono so buy no Kwame he also came and did so well e game no David Opemsuo any Abdul Karim Kwame I also said it say one of the best defensive midfielders e game no Abdul Karim Ekan and we all saw what he did had to focus FIFA in addition to David Opemsuo Kwame omo say they know what they were doing FIFA and I feel we say so no Kwame ono so no he wasn't bad but any red card no MA uniform Abrantia or surprising mo game manage e pa no George Paku because we young chap any performance of them throughout 90 minutes no clearly shows that Abrantia no a prospect so if
George started of bench in the buy.
Yes,
the Hamza film no. I think George Parkus if bench in the buy.
Sir. Okay, yes.
If bench in the buy.
Yes. And some Toronto game or boy Kwame. I think he also did so well. House of folk on Mauli Wayoni Hamza and Susuni Abranti friend. The left back Kakari Martin Kakari Kwame. I think they also did so well away game and changes by Rafael Ponsa Collins and Susun Eba Bekan Fifi for no and he did Abora and Susuno Kwakoda and Nimon Kwame clearly Papa friend Masud Chese and na onimia oye even if and I say even when na any now one man down away game Kwame unza House of folk compact game or move close spaces bebe na korokobe fe bia Kwame na omuntimi nya spaces omuntimi nya ahomegiem pokwa Kwame na omu dia operate entene eduba bi no na House of folk aforce Kumasa Sante Kroko say ne omu mobo no ewe flanks na ni omu nya sa crosses no nko a ene enya enim Benjamin Asare crosses no eduba bi na onim de na korokofo no mpo bayenti de bia he was alert na ni omu boy na Abrante no aba be fa ball no ana say Aliu ene Kevin Osiasi be Kwame na ni omu so no clear body flow so it was a good game for Accra of folk and again they deserve the win because they came and they have a tactical plan and omu di ba game no ma Kwame omu edi benya point na omu de call Accra honum so Kwame Kakra bon Kumasa Sante Koroko Kwame you see eto de bia ayana also moti ase Koroko dudo na omu bu ofu kasa bebre no Kwame mentiase o normal why are they talking because they ade no mojado na ade mo anom no yare na e wo honom no Kwame ye did the right medication manipa but I'm not sure say am I ready to accept medication na also mo genom no mo ho to wo mo because problem or people know they know but Kwame when o se kire kan okra na cheni pana they tag you say na wo momu na anye person o mabekoye so they why would they come out and be talking crying here and there meanwhile you people know the exact problem am but you feel that your person will be adwuma bona na say sabotage obi Kwame no Kwame IMC o se sia Kosiapia o ifa ana Sudan
London
Sudan e bobo ana Sudan
bobo amu ni bobia or London
but IMC no Kwame that the last time I resist cause I don't cancel this news but man think of you see Kosiapia I'm very disappointed in Kosiapia I'm very very disappointed you see my reason being that at least you've been in the game you've been a player what bo game nida our Ghana what bo abu ni a legend when you have the opportunity to play for our Black Stars when you have the opportunity to coach our Black Stars our Ghana national team and again outside is who exposure or now you are a current head coach for Sudan and the whole football will be a Kosiapia Kwame wunim die wom and tade na dibre we aba ye di tima hwe wonsa ene Kwame obetimi aye enwoma esefata obetimi aye ade a ehia e wo game no ba Kwame wa makoroko ebre adentia a do moment koroko nya key decisions moment koroko also mo make sure say ne on be take decisions about club no but therefore no mo fota because kwame IMC era na penkra kosi apia le asafudu communication director ana kwame wana ka bubo be kire me
akoto ka ho asenso
kwame what are they doing?
Christopher Demenya,
what are they doing? Kwame, you see enye de bia na enei ideas no kafra e wo se mo kwa mo de bawo. Sometimes you consult, sometimes no maybe on my kwame ya transit to we should go outside from our own various camp. Entene decisions and an appen can akosi apia any I mean lo asafuduku emu nya be fa kwame now and manifesting me who at the crop pot as say Kumasa Sante Kroko the kwame what is the direction for Kumasa Sante Kroko any say Kumasa Sante Kroko say we no direction ankasa anything e won but when we sit here near Kanokrana you will get people who will call and tell us that we are sabotaging the club, we are telling the club what to do. Meanwhile, what we are here to do, and see a becano channel. By the Nokrana, you will tell us instead of obey the message. No one forgetting the messenger. Accept the fact that people are all canon and assembly woman. You rather target the person. Meanwhile, assembly ni panic can irrespective of own panasem, irrespective of saying the onu camp, just accept the fact that the Nipponic canon it makes sense a womb and answer saying. But you rather come and attack the person instead of listening to what the person is saying. And then be a take no maba. Now about square one, then you will come back now okasa, now two, now more cancer baby. Meanwhile, as some no you guys you know what's wrong with Asante Koroko.
Monfa.
Kwame, IMC no is part of the problem Asante Koroko facing is say. Because omo take key decisions and Asante Koroko. Omo dey running Koroko say.
Jagidi bogidi jam fe na memfa.
Support the no e vital role because they almost so no Asante Koroko obeka no they also take it in a bad faith. Communication director, the Asafuruku, he is also part of key decisions because he is part of management or more managing Asante Koroko say. Kwame, it has been the old faces, it has been the old talks. But at least a normal Kwame, you sit back, you try to analyze what the problem is, Kwame, then you find antidote. You find a suitable, answers to questions that you'll be asking yourself. And tell your Korokoni direction. And once you hear Korokoni biya. Because Kwame say me busase right from onset Koroko direction they starting a season and they say we don't know. When you call them, they will find something to tell you. Meanwhile, on paper, Koroko is not having any proper direction as we speak. And tene Koroko beko ko sign players di aba no maba ni apamu coach along the way coach nyaduma ni apamu no after say coach ni beko no de ko akofuna ba no direction any den e dey due diligence and ye dey appoint coach e tere before be as technical director but along the way we will feel say coach or no enye yampamu no ni technical director no e take in charge ni on free message ni ye be we ni appoint as a head coach. And the head coach there are appointing now. Who is the technical director? Nobody. Come in. It looks like he doesn't exist like in the game because I don't. What does he add to the club now as we speak? And to come here, they shouldn't cry. They shouldn't. Yes. And they should have a proper plan for Kumasa Sante Kroko. Because no more me in Nkoye. That is why I'm telling you that me disappointed in Kosiapia because at least Anye Biano, we a key figure, Kwame Ney, unim football in and out. So what are you adding to the Koroko club? This is a mu taking a heti Korokono, and then also we in the right. And Tiene Kwame, the IMC Omuo says Kwame. They should have a proper planner, a best suit as Sante Koroko. They should have something and they will put in place. Now Koroko season is over. As we speak, Koroko season come is over. Yes, a more league match is anyway. But you see,
Baby, because the other